Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Welcome to the live stream. Today is Monday, March 10th, 2025. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. Just trying to get my charts set up here. Give me one quick second. All right.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Just check and make sure trade copier is working and everything. All right, let's do roll call here. See who's here. All right. Good morning, Benjamin. Good morning, Mitch. Good morning, Corey. Miguel, good morning to you. Trade Hog, good morning. Joe, good morning. You just noticed the cool hat? I think I wear this hat every single day. I like this hat. Good morning, Rich. How are you? let's see. All right. Okay, let's try something, guys, before the market opens really quickly. If you guys grab your cell phones and take, let's see, we got this right there. So if you scan this little guy right there, how is this thing going? I don't even know how to point this thing. Anyway, it should take you to the Apex website, and where you can put in the discount code large, and that would get you the 80% off that Apex is running right now. So give that a whirl to see how that works out. I'll leave that up there for a couple seconds, and then we'll jump really quickly to get into the charts. Actually, we'll come back to this a little bit later. All right, let's do this. All right, so let's go to the charts. We're selling off yet again. God, this market is just it's just crazy. I was kind of watching the overnight last night, and let me just make sure that the trades are copying here. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. I need to log into my account. Okay. All right. Let me just let's go back here. Hey, Wim, good morning to you. Okay, let's try a test order here real quick.
Order submitted.
All right, well, the market just opened, and I'm not sure why this is not copying over here. Let's see, 693. Okay, let's try this again.
Order submitted.
All right, there we go. That's why we test the trade copier and make sure that it's copying it to all the accounts that we need to go to.
Order submitted.
All right.
Order
And it's working. All right, so going back to what I was saying, looking at the overnight, I thought we were actually going to try to go higher because we were pushing up a little bit before the open. Good morning, Herschel. So let's mark the highs here. So we had the high, the overnight here, and the low. We're obviously at the low. So we'll mark this guy right here. We're looking for this market to break up to the upside. We got about another 3 minutes to do so. If we look at the 15-minute, let's see. We're in the previous, we basically try to break out of the previous 15-minute range and see if we try to get back up to the 900s. See if we can get a setup. If this thing will get us back up towards the 900s, we might get a setup. Right now, we're still about a little more than 2.5 minutes before the 935 candle opens, and we'll find out if we get a signal or not. This thing just keeps wanting to sell off. Got just a little over 2 minutes. What I'm going to do probably later on after session today is, since we've been selling off literally almost every single morning for the last almost 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks actually, I'm going to actually try running some stats on this thing to see what happens if we take shorts on this, if I get a short signal, and see what the numbers look like. And we'll talk about that tomorrow, and we'll see. See if this is actually worth, just because, we have to kind of adjust to market conditions. Remember, we can have a setup, but it's not always about the setup. It's about being able to read the market as well. So what I'll do is I'll do some back testing and run some numbers and see what it would have done for the last couple of weeks if I would have taken this thing short. See what the numbers look like. Yeah, Benjamin, we're coming down. Actually, I talked about this. This was probably, I think, around January, and we were coming down. We were in this area somewhere around the 20,000, and I said if we get down to I forgot what it was. I'd have to go back, but it was somewhere around 19,000. Right around where we're at now, 8 or what have you. If we're breaking below that, we might go down to the 18,005 level. So I'm not going to go into too deep of an analysis. We've got about 40 seconds left. And I am looking for, I'm looking for price to basically break above 900 for me to be able to get a long signal, and it doesn't look like it's going to happen. This last candle right here, we're down like, what is this? This is 70 points already. This last 5 minutes, we're already down 70 points. So unless this thing does a major turnaround in the next 15 seconds, we're not going to get a setup. So, but what we'll do is we'll work on analyzing the market. I'll try to get in here a little bit earlier tomorrow, and we'll do this. Got 1 second. The bar just the 5 minute just opened, and we did not get a signal to go long. So. I did not get a setup today, but is there a code for the ETP? It's ETP, not ETC, the ETP copy. Yes, there is. Let me see if I have it. I'll put it, give me a second. I'll put it in the chat. There it is right there. It's LP25. So use that. You have to use that link and use that code, and that will give you the, I think it's like $50 off. Or something like that. No, it should work for the copier. Let me know if it doesn't, but it should. In fact, here let me test it really quickly. Let me see. Give me 1 second. So if you click on that link and then you go to click on the here, let's do this. This is what it looks like, right? So when you click on the link, it brings you to this page right here. And if you click on start copying, it'll take you to this page right here. And then where do we put the promo code? Right here. You click on the add promo, and then LP25 all caps. You click apply, and it gives you a little bit of thinking, and it gives you $50 off, as you can see. And then it's 147 instead of 197. So you save $50. Okay, so it does work. But that's all you need to do. Mitch, give that a try and let me know. Okay. So just click on the link that's in the chat, and use the code LP25. It has to be caps, no spaces, and you should be able to get the discount. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks again for joining me. I was kind of frazzled because of the time change, so I'm still not all together there. So I apologize, but we'll get ourselves together tomorrow. But we're ready to take a trade. It just did not give it to us, so we will try this again tomorrow. And if you're going to be trading for the rest of the day, enjoy the rest of your day. Trade well, and we will see you guys all tomorrow. And for you guys in the Discord, we'll see you in the Discord. Have a great day, everybody. Bye now.